I'm weary, unpacking the meaning. Hello, dear language learners. Today, we're diving deep into a phrase that native English speakers use quite often, I'm weary. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in your conversations. The phrase, I'm weary, consists of two parts. 1. I'm, a contraction of I am. This represents the subject and verb of the sentence. 2. Weary, an adjective that describes a feeling or state of being. To understand the word, weary, let's explore its definition and synonyms. Definition: feeling or showing tiredness, especially as a result of excessive exertion or lack of sleep. Synonyms: tired, exhausted, fatigued, worn out. Imagine you've had a long day at work, or you've been traveling for hours. When you get home, you might say, I'm weary, to express that you feel tired and need some rest. Understanding a word or phrase is best achieved by seeing it in context. Here are a few example sentences. 1. After hiking for 5 hours, Lisa said, I'm weary and need to sit down. 2. I'm weary of all this drama, Mark exclaimed after a heated discussion. 3. Studying for 10 hours straight has made me so weary, Amy remarked. Note that in the second example, weary is used slightly differently. It implies being tired of something, meaning becoming fed up or losing patience with a particular situation or topic. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the phrase, I'm weary. The next time you feel a bit exhausted or tired, whether physically or mentally, you'll know exactly how to express it in English. We hope you found this video enlightening, and remember, every phrase you learn brings you one step closer to fluency. Keep learning and keep practicing.